This video demonstrates how instructors can create an account and set up their first class with OpenClass. First, go to your OpenClass domain name. In most cases, this will be your school's name .openclass.ai. If your school's environment does not use single sign-on, the page will look like this. Enter your academic email and click Next Step, and if this is your first time using OpenClass, you will be redirected to create an account. From the Create an Account page, enter your first name, last name, and a password, and click the Create Account button. After doing so, you should receive an email from us within the next few minutes to verify your email address. From the email, click the Verify button, and you will now be able to log into your account. You're now ready to create your first class. To do so, click the Add Class button. From this page, enter a name and a short description for your class, and click the Save Your Class button. You will be redirected to your class. Each class will have a unique invite link. You can click the link to copy it to your clipboard, and you can distribute this link to your students, who will be prompted to create an account with OpenClass and will be automatically enrolled in your class. Now your class is set up and you're ready to begin building powerful review assignments for your students. Our next video in this Get Started guide will walk you through this process.